Welcome! Learn how to set up your Brevo API key to automate workflows. We'll take new leads from Google Sheets, add/update them in Brevo, and send a welcome email automatically. Click the Brevo module, select Create New Credential, and a pop-up will ask for your API key. Open a new browser tab, go to brevo.com, and log in to your dashboard. Click your profile or settings icon in the top right corner. In Settings,
Don't forget to like and subscribe, so go ahead and hit that button.
Navigate to SMTP and API to generate a new key. Click Generate New SMTP Key, name it n8n Workflow, and select Standard 64 characters for full access. Copy the key now. This is your only chance to save it. Return to your Workflow tool, paste the key in the API key field, and click Save. You'll see confirmation that the credential is created. Your Brevo connection is active, and your workflow will sync leads and send emails automatically.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.